Hello everyone, welcome to Educate 247. This is lecture 3 on government scheme on the MCQ revision series, which will help you for the upcoming RBI Grade B examination. The scheme we have selected today is PM-Annadata Aay SanraksHan Abhiyan, PM-AASHA. Let's begin. The first question is, which of the following are the components of PM-AASHA scheme? The options are price support scheme, option 2 price deficiency payment scheme, option 3 pilot of procurement and stock list scheme. So this PM-AASHA, which has been launched in the budget 2008, has 3 components, and we have to know all the 3 components in a very detailed manner because direct questions can be asked on this scheme. So this scheme includes all the 3 components. So the answer to this question is D, that is 1, 2 and 3. Which are they? Price support scheme, price deficiency payment scheme and pilot procurement and stock list scheme. Let us see each of the 3 components in detail. Next question is, which of the following does not include physical procurement? Okay, options are price support scheme, option 2 price deficiency payment scheme and option 3 pilot of procurement and stock list scheme. So now, as I told you, PM-AASHA has 3 components: price support scheme, price deficiency payment scheme and pilot of procurement of stock list scheme. So all you got to know is, first of all, this PM-AASHA has private agencies which are involved. Secondly, it's some component include procurement of the foodstuff and the others do not include physical procurement. So they have asked us which of the component of the PM-AASHA does not include physical procurement, and the answer to this question is price deficiency payment scheme. So let us see about the price deficiency payment component. Price deficiency payment component, first of all, does not include physical procurement. So this does not include physical procurement. And the second point which you got to know in the price deficiency payment scheme is that it is for oilseeds whose MSP has been announced. So this is all the oilseeds will be covered whose MSP is notified whose MSP has been notified, and the difference between the minimum support price and the difference between the MSP and the selling nodal price will be made to the registered farmers selling their produce in the notified market yard through a transparent auction system. So what is it? Price deficiency payment scheme is for oilseeds whose MSP has been notified and there is no physical procurement, and also the difference between the MSP and the nodal prices or selling price will be given to the registered farmers in the registered mandis who sell their produce to a transparent auction system. Here there is no physical procurement and the money will be directly given to the registered bank account to the farmers. So this is for oil seeds. There is no physical procurement. Money will be directly given to the farmers. This is one of the component of the PM-AASHA, which is the price deficiency payment scheme. Educate 247 is offering various courses on your RBI Grade B examination. To know about these courses, visit our website www.educate247.com. Some of the courses are RBI Grade B 2020 Comprehensive, RBI Grade B FM Mentorship course, and there are others too according to your needs. We will be providing various video lectures, current affairs, practice question, multiple choice question in our courses. All this is available on our website. Next question, which of the following is incorrect regarding the price support component under the PM-AASHA scheme? So now this is another component. First we saw the price deficiency payment component. Now this is the price support scheme component. They have asked us which is the incorrect about this. So to know the incorrect, you have to know each of the component in detail. Let us go through the options. Here, option 1, Central nodal agencies will procure pulses, copra and oilseed. Food Corporation of India and National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India will help to implement the scheme. The procurement expenditure and losses due to procurement will be borne by the central government. So if you knew that all these three parts were a component of the price support scheme, you would know that none of it is wrong. So the answer to this question is D, none. So what does price support scheme include? It includes physical procurement. Okay, it includes procurement of the copra, oil seeds and pulses. And what we saw in price deficiency payment scheme, only of oil seeds. Here it is copra, oil seeds and pulses. There will be procurement, and this procurement will be done by the central nodal agencies. Okay, these central nodal agencies, with the help of FCI and NAFT, they'll procure it, and the procurement losses and the expenditure will be borne by the central government. So this price support scheme, which is a component of PM-AASHA, includes physical procurement of copra, oilseeds and pulses, and the procurement will be done by the central nodal agencies with the help of the state government, and also whatever losses or expenditure is there in this will be borne by the central government. So if you knew all this, you would be easily able to select the incorrect, but there was no incorrect since all these are the right statements about the price support component under the PM-AASHA scheme. Next question is, consider the following regarding Food Corporation of India and NAFT. Which of the following is incorrect? So we have to know the incorrect statement regarding these two institutions. FCI is a statutory body set up under the National Food Security Act 2013. National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, that is NAFT, is registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. Option 3. The primary duty of FCI is to undertake purchase, store, moving, distribution of food grains and other foodstuffs. Option 4. National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India is an apex organization of marketing cooperatives for agriculture produce in India. So the incorrect statement here is FCI, that is set up under the National Food Security Act. That is the incorrect statement, because here FCI is set up under the FCI Act 1964. It was set up in 1964. Okay, and it was set up in order to fulfill the three objectives, that is to give effective price support to the farmers in order to safeguard distribution of food grains throughout the country for public distribution system, and to maintain buffer stocks of food grains to ensure food security. So the FCI is a statutory body. It has some objectives, that is it distributes the food grains, it maintains buffer stock, okay, maintains buffer stock for public it distributes the food grains for public distribution system and maintains buffer stocks, and also effective price support operations to safeguard the interests of the farmers. And about National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, that is registered as a Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. Very important point, please note that. And it was set up in 1958 with the object to promote cooperative marketing of agricultural produce to benefit the farmers. And since these two, FCI and NAFT, are playing an important role in PM-AASHA, we need to know the points about them. So what we saw today in PM-AASHA was, it has three components, that is price support scheme, price deficiency payment scheme and pilot procurement stocklist scheme. And there is no physical procurement in one, that is the price deficiency payment scheme. It includes only giving the difference between the MSP and the selling price of the oilseeds whose MSP has been notified. And in price support scheme, there is physical procurement of copra, oilseeds and pulses. And in the pilot procurement, in this the private agency will in certain private agency will procure oilseeds in coordination with the government. Thank you and happy learning.